Hello.
I didn't think it.
It's about night. A scorpion is came into the house and stung his writer's mother. That night was a steady rain and driven him. And some peasants came like swarms of lions and budged the name of God 100 times.
Mateen, you can also help Majid to explain
Yes,
the
sir.
topic.
Uh,
Yeah.
And the main theme of the poem is my mother only said, "Thank God, scorpion picked on me and spared my children." It's the main theme of the poem. And
Malik, what is the theme of the poem? Did you understand? Malik.
The scorpion.
Scorpion? No. The scorpion is not the theme of the poem. Majid, explain it. What is the theme of the poem?
yes, sir. The theme of the poem, my mother only said, "Thank God, the scorpion picked on me and spared my children." Is the theme of the poem.
That is not the theme of the poem. That is the last line of the poem.
Yes, sir. I guess.
Yeah, what do you understand from that line? That is the theme of the poem.
Oh, my mother only said, Night of Scorpion. Yes, sir. Scorpion stung the poet's mother and the mother's love for her children.
Okay, the second part. What is the second part? The mother's?
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir. What?
Love for her children.
Malik, got it.
That's enough.
Ask Malik whether he got the idea or not. Majid, you can ask.
No, sir, I not understand this part.
Okay, so who is the speaker here? Majid, who is the speaker here?
What, sir? What, sir?
Who is the speaker in this poem?
Can I answer, sir?
Who is the speaker?
Can I tell, sir?
I remember the night of my mother.
No.
I remember the night of my mother.
I remember.
Okay, then who is the speaker? Who speaks it?
Speak.
Sir, can I say it?
Nisim.
No. Yes, Nazim Ezekiel is the speaker. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the poet himself is the speaker here. Right? Oh, that's good. So shall we move to the next session, the next part of the poem?
Yes, sir.
Shall I recite the last part of the poem? We are going to conclude the session. We are going to conclude the poem today. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Son, more candles, more lanterns, more neighbors, more insects, and the endless rain. My mother twisted through and through, groaning on a mat. My father, skeptic, a rationalist, trying every curse and blessing, powder, mixture, herb, and hybrid. He even poured a little paraffin upon the bitten toe and put a match to it. I watched the flame feeding on my mother. I watched the holy man perform his rites. He tamed the poison with an incantation. After 20 hours, it lost its sting. My mother only said, "Thank God the scorpion picked on me and spared my children." Here ends the poem. And now Sarva and Mukta were late in the class, so Sarva will recite the poem for us. Sarva, recite the last part of the poem for us.
Last part.
Yeah, more candles. You can start with the more candles, more lanterns.
Yeah. More candles, more lanterns, more neighbors, more insects, and the endless rain. My mother twisted through and through, growing on a mat, groaning on a mat. My father, skeptic, rationalist, trying every curse and blessings, powder, mixture, herb, and hybrid. He even poured a little paraffin upon the bitten toe and put a match to it. The flame. I watched the flame feeding on my mother. I watched the holy man perform his rites to tame the poison with an incantation. After 20 hours, it lost its stings. My mother only said, "Thank God the scorpion picked on me and spared my children."
That's it. So here we discuss what was done by the poet's father. What was done by the poet's father in that night. The poet says, more candles, more lanterns, more neighbors, more insects, and the endless rain. It was raining and many people have come. More candles. Candle indicates they were coming with candles to the house. More lanterns, more other lamps, which indicates many peasants. Peasants were one by one coming to the house, and more neighbors. So by this we understand that all the neighbors were entering to this house during that night. Then what else? More insects and the endless rain. More insects. So with the lights, with the candles and lanterns, when these insects, these small birds or small creatures, they saw the lights and they are also coming with these lights to the house of the poet. My mother twisted through and through, groaning on a mat. So where is the mother? The mother was lying on a mat on the floor. And what was she doing? She was twisting through and through, groaning on a mat with pain. She was suffering with pain and she was struggling with pain. So she couldn't sleep properly, she couldn't lie properly, she was twisting with pain. Then comes the father. My father, skeptic, a rationalist, trying every curse and blessing, powder, mixture, herb, and hybrid. He even poured a little paraffin upon the bitten toe and put a match to it. Here comes the father. He has some knowledge about medicines, about treatment, so that he is trying to do something. All others are praying. But still, the father is doing something different. He is rationalist. So the poet says that my father is a rationalist. It's not an orthodox. It's not a blind believer in traditions and customs. So he's thinking different and he's doing something different. Likewise, what he's trying every curse and blessing, he gets some powder and put it on the toe, where the scorpion had bitten the mother. So there is a wound on the leg. So the father is putting some powder, some medicine. Then mixture, herb and hybrid. Some herbals were got and they were also, for example, if it is herbal, then it was also poured on the toe. Father is very rationalist. He's thinking that this is a medicine for this. So it will be better. So in order to save the mother, in order to overcome the pain, the father is trying everything. Is trying everything with his knowledge. He even poured a little paraffin. Paraffin means kerosene, with which we can light the lamps and all. I hope you are familiar about paraffin, kind of oil. Do you?
Yes, sir.
Paraffin? Yeah. Suppose this is paraffin. This is drinking water, and you can imagine that this is paraffin. The father opens the bottle and pouring it on the toe of the mother. And after that, what is he doing? He gets a matchbox. Suppose this is a matchbox. What is this? What's it?
Adapter.
Adapter.
Matchbox.
Imagine that this is the matchbox. He gets one stick from it and just light it, then put it on the toe. And it is beautiful. It's it. A matchbox. इस करने के बाद इसमें फ्लेम है और फायर को टो में पुट किया. Yeah, now
Yes, sir.
there is light. Now there is light on the mother's toe, and the father thinks that that is a good medicine. Do you believe that will be okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sometimes people do so as a medicine, as a treatment. Sometimes it is done. This fire will help the mother. So the father is also thinking that would be better. He even poured a little paraffin upon the bitten toe and put a match to it. Which means he put a match to it. I watched the flame feeding on my mother. Then the poet was a child and he could see the mother was struggling. The mother was twisting with what? With the flame feeding on her toe. So now there is fire on her toe. I watched the holy man perform his rites to tame the poison with incantation. Now what is doing? Holy man. Do you remember any holy man from our previous semester? In any chapter? There was a blind child and his mother called some
My
holy
son
man to
would
house.
not. My
Ved.
a beggar be.
Yeah,
Ved.
that's my son will not a beggar.
Good morning,
Beggar be.
Oh, in Zimam,
Sorry for late, sir. Sorry.
the class is almost over, man.
Sir, My brother is going
up?
on interview with my phone.
Is it? All the best for him.
Huh?
Now come back. Where did we stop?
Holy man.
Holy man.
Ah, that's holy man. What would they do? Suppose in such a situation, one holy man comes with some sort of a puja mantra or something else. What would he do? Amma Mukta, any idea? I am the mother. I am the mother, and I am struggling like this. Oh my God. Then what would that holy man do?
His pray.
He will pray. Bhagavan. Then he will have something like this, some lights, some sounds, and some
Yes.
customs and traditions, and he will follow that, and
Yes,
he will
sir.
do this. If this is the mother, he will do it like this. Oh, like that.
Yes.
Do you get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is done by the holy man after 20 hours. After how many hours?
20.
20
Okay,
hours.
so almost 1 day, isn't it? Almost 1 day over, it lost its sting. So after 20 hours, it lost its sting. So 20 hours of time. For 20 hours, the mother was struggling with pain. She was suffering from pain. Now, after 20 hours, it lost its sting. Now it's okay. The mother is all right. My mother only said, we come to the concluding line, that is, what did the mother say? Read it louder, all of you. Read the last line louder.
Thank God the scorpion picked on me and speed my children.
Okay, Oma Mukhtar, read the last line.
Thank God the scorpion picked on me
And
spared my children.
okay, Hassan, read the last line.
Thank God the scorpion picked on me and spared my children.
Majid and Mateen, repeat it.
What's that? Thank God the scorpion picked me and spared my children.
Okay, Faisal Sheikh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, read the second, the last line of our poem.
Thank God
Read
the
it.
scorpion picked on me and spared my children.
Spared my children. Zimam and Sarwar, read it together.
Thank God the scorpion picked on me and spared my children.
And where is Zimam?
I'm here.
Yes, read it out.
I don't have text. Sarvada, send karo.
If you don't have a text, you have to write it down. I have
Jail
already
to
told
the
you.
jail.
1 second, sir. 1 second.
1 or 2 seconds, no problem.
Sarvar, जल्दी send करो.
Sarwar, please copy and paste and send the line to him.
Thank God the scorpion picked on me and spared me children.
Me children or my children?
My children.
My children.
Yeah.
So from the last line, what we come to know is the mother is not worried about herself, but her worry was about her children. That's why she says, thank you, God. After 20 hours suffering, after 20 hours pain, the mother is not criticizing the God. The mother has no complaints. Instead, she says, thank you, God. Hey Bhagavan, Dhanyavad. Kyom? The scorpion picked on me. The scorpion picked on me. The scorpion bites me, not my children, and spared my children. The scorpion spared, the scorpion avoided, neglected, just left my children and decided to bite me. So that was the God's decision. That was the decision of the God. So I must thank the God for the scorpion picked on me, not my mother. Not my mother or children.
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 Children, that's it. So as a child, the poet Nizim Ezekiel is remembering that experience, that night when the scorpion came to the house and bites the mother, 20 hours of pain, 10 hours of rain, and many neighbors come to the house. They were praying to the God. They were praying to stop the scorpion in order to stop the spread of poison in the blood of mother. And what was the father doing? He was trying to get some medicine, get some Ayurvedic medicine, and get some paraffin, and he was doing all those things for his wife. And do you think the father was very lovable husband? What's your opinion? Sheikh Faisal? Faisal?
Yes.
Yes, what's your opinion about that husband, which means the poet's father?
Why is not clear?
Okay, then do you agree with the action of the father? Do you support the father? Okay. Sarwar,
Yes, sir.
suppose you are the father, what would you do? Nothing doing?
If I have any knowledge about that, I will try my best.
Otherwise,
Otherwise, I will call the doctor.
I will call the doctor. Dr. Benson is waiting, man. Do you remember him, Dr. Benson?
Yes, yes. Only one
Yes,
time he got late, but other 12 times he did the operation.
yes, that's it. Then Mateen and Majid,
Yes, sir.
did you get an overall picture of the poem?
What, sir?
Did you get the idea of the poem, about the poet, about the incident, about the essence, about the night, and about the scorpion, and also about his father, and about the mother's attitude towards children. These are the things mentioned in the poem. Basically, it's about the mother's love. And every mother is thinking like this, I think. What about you? Hassan?
Yes, sir.
Suppose such an incident happens in our house for our mother, then don't you think she will respond like this? Thank God.
Yes, sir, she would.
Yes, for sparing my children.
Like, yes.
Because she is, every mother is that much concerned about the health of their children, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is the value of motherhood. That is the love and caring of a mother, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
I would like to ask you some questions. Just answer it. The questions will be available in chat box.
Okay, sir.
Okay. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इधर, क्या बॉक्सेस भेज रहे हो? भेज रहे हो क्या है? भेज रहे हो?
Sorry, sir. Misplaced.
Okay, it was given to some persons, isn't it? Now it is for everyone. मेरे सही में पिया जाने वाले हैं, बैंगलोर से कन्याकुमारी तक जाने वाले. Question is there? Did you get the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's a simple question. Give another title to the poem. Your choice. Right, give a title. No need to type a paragraph. Just one line, 2 or 3 words.